starting right away.
Settle down. Settle down. Hey, settle down. Yes, I know, Lily eats the cat. Hey.
Oh,
Settle down.
whoa.
I know, Lily eats the cat. Coco's going to I eat the cat. I eat the cat. Lily.
Mel and well.
Good girl, Coco.
Hi Harley, you're not. Hi
What are
Harley.
they doing?
Oh.
Lily.
Lily's now playing.
Everyone's having some outside time.
No, Bob. Do you have anything to comment on this? Whatever. Do you? Oopsie.
Hey.
Do you have anything to comment? No.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a camera. And Lily comes in. Do you have anything to comment? No.
Lily.
It's a wall. He's still just chilling. Hi, Harley.
You guys.
Hi, Mom.
Lily.
Look at the far.
Be nice.
Look at the far.
Lily.
Nice. Show the camera. Yay, is that all the gold?
No.
No. Yes.
Lily.
Five left.
Yes.
Be nice. Come on, guys.
Okay.
Come on, guys. Go this way. Go this way. We won't go walk.
Hi, guys. Yes. This is life in the house. Yeah.
Lily. Big light. Be nice.
Let's see them play.
Good girl, Coco. Good job. Good girl.
Playtime.
Good girl, Coco. Good girl. Hey, yeah. Oh, yes, Harley. Good girl, Coco. Good girl, Lily. Yeah,
Hi,
good job.
Coco. Hey, Lily. Having a dog party with a Callisto figure.
Just because it's small does not mean you can play soccer with it. Yeah, he's not going to be impressed if you do that.
Oh, you play
Yeah.
soccer.
Are you telling him you're not a soccer ball, Harley?
Are you a soccer baller one? Yeah, you're not a soccer ball, little Harley. Oh! Oh, closure.
You're fine. Good girl, Lily. Good girl, Lily. Yeah,
Coco's
good
just
girl.
trapping Mom.
Good girl.
So much dogs everywhere.
Good girl, Lil. Good girl, Coco.
The kitty's still.
Good girl, Coco. So are you getting the dogs on this show?
Yeah, of course I'm getting the dogs. I'm getting everyone.
Good girl.
Yeah, this is life in the house. What you doing, Lily?
Good girl. Good
Hi,
dogs.
Coco.
No. Good
Oh,
dogs,
whoopsie.
guys. Go, Coco.
Ah. Hi, Lily. Oh, where are you going? Oh, did you find the kitty again?
Oh, there's a
Are you-
cat.
are you gonna
Let's
find
see
a
what the cat does?
Ah!
As-
I'm following. Oh,
Be nice.
if you're close enough, the kitty has.
Stop trying to play soccer with them. Lily. They're not soccer balls.
That's just rude, Lily.
And
Ah!
I only have one
Ah.
left, and I want to make it.
Lily.
Is Kitty still there yet?
Coco. It's a cat. Calm down.
Goals.
Yay! There's
Lily?
a cat.
Now, onto the ball.
I want to see how this.
Lily?
I want to see how Coco plays a snowball. You gonna play me and Coco? Oh, you play it good.
Sign a little.
Yeah. Hey. No, you don't need to do that. You don't need to dance around like a silly puppy.
Whoa! If I can try to get this.
No. Calm down.
That's what.
Hey. You go away.
Hey, Snowball, what do you say?
Snowball's like, I don't know about this.
Ah, and there's a lily behind me.
Good. Go.
Where did you go? Up.
Look.
Lily's found. Ah!
See? No. He'll go. Settle down.
Yep, this is life. And this cat just
Settle down.
lives with it. Sad for him.
What is that? Hey,
What's
Coco?
under there, Harry?
is it?
It's a Harry.
No barking.
You scared me, Lily! She yawned when she was behind me and I was kneeling down, so I heard the yawn really loud. I was like, what's that? It's just you.
Hey.
Yep.
You don't need to bark at him.
Ah!
Yeah.
How we go?
Yeah, you can survive.
I want to watch this.
See? Kitty's fine.
Okay, I'll get to a part 2 later.